Why is the labeling of products and packaging important? The labeling of product and its packaging is a transparent image of a company which gives a first impression of the compliance status of the product. Mistakes in the labeling are therefore often a starting point for competitors and market surveillance authorities to look further into the compliance status of a product or even to stop further sales of products. This is annoying and expensive, but also avoidable. What is important? In the interest of transparent consumer information and the identifiability of important product parameters, the legislative bodies for product compliance a high value on meaningful and formally flawless labeling of products and their packaging. In addition to the classic mandatory markings, such as the manufacturer's address, CE marking restrictions on use on suitability or article description, new requirements such as disposal instructions, consumption data or electronic references to further product information to be provided are also being added. The legal requirements can be transnational, e.g. product safety regulation, toy regulation, battery regulation, or differ from country to country, e.g. labeling underweighs legislation recyclability. An electronic reference to a product passport will also be unavoidable in the future, e.g. eco-design regulation, battery regulation. Why is EU disposal labeling necessary? Product labeling or disposal labeling in the EU is important in order to facilitate the collection, reuse and recycling of products and packaging. Who has to label packaging in the EU? Producers, importers and online sellers are defined as distributors, manufacturers and are subject to the direct or indirect obligation to properly label packaging in accordance with the country-specific regulations. It should be noted that in case of doubt, not only B2C but also B2B packaging is taken into account. In general, labels for products or disposal must be clearly visible, clearly legible, sufficiently durable and long-lasting, even after the packaging has been opened. Which service is right for me? Fastlane is the right place for you if you want to have the label of your product checked, including disposal markings, the labeling of your packaging, or if you would like to have the operating instructions checked. Even if you only want to have the disposal labeling and separation instructions checked, Tradability is the best solution for you. Take advantage of 10% discounting when booking online. You can now quickly book your preferred service here via Fastlane.